Hello, families! Trinity, what are we going to do today?
Tonight,
Yeah!
we're gonna do moss. We're gonna need moss, flowers, dirt, and a shepherd.
Shepherd's hook. We are going
And a flower basket.
basket. Yeah, we're going to make beautiful flower basket. Yay! And let me tell you guys, this is super, super easy. Literally under $20. We are going to go step by step on how to make a beautiful flower basket. Fill up the flower basket with moss. And literally, a lot of these things I was gifted by finding them at a yard sale. You can find, flowers for like $1.30 each. I mean, we just got our soil out of our garden. Got a really strong, beautiful shepherd's hook at Dollar General. I mean, all of this is adding up to nearly under $20. And when you find beautiful hanging baskets, they're not that, cheap. So we're literally stuffing moss into our beautiful flower basket. Good job, Trinity! Put the shepherd's hook in the ground, and then we put the basket on the shepherd's hook, and voila! Beautiful hanging basket for the spring and summertime. We got full sunflowers, and under $20, and very quick tutorial, about under 20 minutes to complete a beautiful hanging flower basket. Perfect for gifts as well. Beautiful.